Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video, and for today we will unbox this LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier Generation 2 or second generation. So yes, we need this one because of our type of work. Kasi, diba, alam naman natin nag-shoot tayo sa labas, and having this kind of technology on our arsenal is great, I think. So, out of the box, we have this recyclable or eco-friendly packaging from LG. So, kudos to LG for doing that thing. And we have here the Wear Your Confidence tagline. So, without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, here's the box. So we will remove this one, or let's just cut. So as they say, this is an eco-friendly packaging. So we have here the instruction how we can recycle this box. So you can use this one. So out of the box, we already have the mask. So instead of white, I ordered black because medyo na-conscious ako or na-frustrate ako kapag nadudumihan yung mga ganitong technology. So I ordered the black version. So look at that. So as you can see, most of the product videos or sometimes reviews is on white. Kaya it's good to see some black version of this mask. So right off the bat, this is the mask. It's small. Look at this one. This is my hand. This is the size of the mask. This is where we put the HEPA 13 filters. So it does have HEPA filters. So nafi-filter nyo yung mga particles and other things sa air na nalalanghap natin. And also, meron siyang fan sa loob, kaya hindi mainit kapag sinuot natin ito. So we will have a review, a separate review on this one. I'll just try the technology first before we will have the actual impression and the pros and cons using this mask. So after the mask, we have the instructions and manual. So we will read this one, the warranty card, the instruction manuals. We will read this one later on kasi bago tong technology sa atin. Next is this face guard. So this face guard is large. So, pwede kayo mamili kung anong size nyo. Depende sa size ng mukha nyo. So, I have the large version kasi medyo malaki po yung mukha. Okay, this is the face guard. So, let's try to put it here. So, it's magnetic, kaya hindi ka na may hirapan pang ilagay. But before you put this face guard, so ito yung magnets niya. Ayan yung magnets niya. So before you put this face guard on, meron ka pang ilalagay na filter inside, and also our HEPA 13 filters. So let's just set aside this one here. And meron din siyang ear protector. So kung gusto mong ilagay yung strap dito sa side nito para hindi mahirapan yung tenga mo all throughout the day na ginagamit mo tong mask na to. So this is the bag of the mask. It's nice actually, di ba? Meron pa siyang bag na kasama, so pwede mong ilagay dito kapag hindi mo ginagamit. So thank you LG for having this bag inside the packaging. So these are the HEPA filters. Let's put it on. So, earlier, nag-disinfect naman na tayo ng kamay natin. Kaya pwede na natin tong ilagay. So, let's put it on. Buksan lang natin yan. Tapos, ilagay natin. So, these HEPA filters are consumables. So, pwede nyong mabili to kapag kailangan ng palitan. Yes, kailangan po natin palitan itong mga filters na to after a month of use. So, you can check LG's shop on Lazada or Shopee. So, for the next one, we have this USB cable. So, this cable will be used para ma-charge natin yung ating mask. So, we will check this out later. Then, lastly, I think, yes, last in our box is the cover. So, again, as you can see, this is a consumable. So, pwede nyo siyang mabili sa Shopee or Lazada LG official store. So, we have here a bunch of inner covers. So, I think matagal-tagal pa bago tayo makabili ng bago. But, please do buy ASAP ng mga consumables para at least meron ka ng stock, 'di ba? So, this inner cover, kailangan siyang palitan every day. Yes, or every time na gagamitin mo siya. So, hindi mo siya dapat i-reuse, okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, may dot dito. So, doon mo lang natin ilalagay yan. Okay, so, there you go. There you go. Ayun yung dot. So, lock in na yung filter natin. So, ilagay lang natin itong ating magnetic cover. Then, that's it. So, this is our LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier. So, sana makatulong to sa mga times na nagsushoot tayo sa labas. Kasi, syempre, kailangan natin na protected pa rin kahit papaano. Kahit nagluluwag na yung mga restrictions. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And let's see. Click the subscribe button if you want to know more about this mask kasi mag-upload tayo ng next video regarding our insights, pros and cons, and impressions about the mask itself in real-world scenario. So, nakalimutan ko palang sabihin, guys. Ito yung, dito rin yung voice on. So, i-hold nyo lang to para makapagsalita kayo. This mask has the technology of voice on. So, kahit mahina yung boses nyo, may speaker siya sa loob para lumakas at maintindihan kayo ng kausap nyo. So, if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, please consider clicking the subscribe button. And also, if you like this video, consider clicking the like and share button. So, once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.